Hey, welcome back to UFOs Above Us. All right, today we're going to finish up 2018 with one more study of a picture. And as you can see with my new equipment here, I'm getting much higher resolution, but we're going to look at a couple of main areas on this picture. We're going to focus on the crater right here, and then we're going to blow this up. And before we look at that crater, we'll just do a quick scan of the surface, because in this upper left-hand corner crater, look at that interesting triangular object up there. And you've got another kind of U-shaped object there. So there's a lot of things of interest in this picture. We're going to focus on that one crater. Before we do, we'll just do a quick sweep to let you look over this picture. And this would be a good time to point out, if there's something you're interested in this, put it in the comments and we'll study it in more detail. But this gives you a good sweep of what kind of resolution the new gear is getting on the moon. When you think about something that's reported 235,000 miles away, this is getting really good resolution. So it's letting us have some good study of the moon. And there's several objects on this picture that I looked at myself. I just thought I'd pick the most compelling one to wrap up the year. So, you can look at all kinds of interesting objects that you see in this picture that would be worth a closer look at some point. However, just for time, I'm going to keep this to a few minutes. We're going to focus on this one crater. And I don't think it takes a rocket scientist to figure out, when you look inside this crater, which is supposed to be a meteor strike on the moon, there is some highly unusual structure in the base of that crater. And they're very unexplained. Just look at the shapes. Look at that first object right there. The second one's even more interesting. It looks like a straight boom with a circular base. That third one, I really don't know what it is, but this fourth one, look at the triangular kind of saucer-shaped or delta wing-shaped giant object. Then some more that I don't really know what it is. And then this one catches my eye too. You've got another triangular delta wing-shaped object with all these things kind of radiating out from the center point where that's sitting. So, each individual of these are interesting, but not that much. But when you look at all that compelling structure in the base of what's reported to us, what's told to us by NASA as a meteor strike, it definitely raises questions. And, here's the original picture. Even in the original resolution, you can see interesting stuff. But when I blow it up is when it really pops out and you think, wait a minute, what is all this stuff? How could it be there if this was a meteor strike? Are they trying to tell us that that's natural rock formation from a meteor strike? Are they going to try to tell us it's lava tubes forming triangles? It's just not reasonable. A reasonable person would not accept that explanation. So for UFOs Above Us, I want to wrap up 2018. For the few that are watching, I thank you. And encourage others, keep watching the skies. The answers we need are up there.